So I've just made this gorgeous dessert. Look at that. And it is 10, 20, 30, 42, 2 syns. I've used 0% Greek yoghurt, a tablespoon of Sweet Freedom chocolate spread, which is 14 calories a teaspoon, and so it's 3 teaspoons, and that's 42 syns, so it's tiny little bit over 2 syns. And then I've chopped up a hi-fi bar. Obviously you can use whatever chocolate spread or chocolate, whatever you want to put in it, or you could put fruit and berries and things like that. You could put chop a couple of squares of chocolate up, or crush a couple of Maltesers, a Freddo, or half a Freddo or something like that, just to give you a little chocolate fix. But I've used half of my bee, and just look at that, and it tastes amazing. I haven't mixed the chocolate and the yogurt together fully, just so that it looks a little bit swirly. So I've got a half a hi-fi at the bottom, and then I've got a quarter halfway up. I blobbed a load of yogurt in it, and then I put some more hi-fi, then I put some more yogurt, and then I put the rest of the little bar on the top. So it's all just chopped up into little tiny pieces, and there we are. Beautiful dessert for 2 syns and a half a healthy extra bee. What do you think?